everyone, it's Suil Merchant from Techtar Solutions. In this tutorial, we are going to learn the quickest method to remove queries and connection in Microsoft Excel. Be with me. We are back in Microsoft Excel, and on my screen you can find 67 queries that were generated with the help of Power Query. And now I want to remove all of these queries. For that, one method is right click on this query and delete. Now, deleting these 67 queries one by one is a time consuming job. So what's the smart method? For that, go to File, Info, and here you will find Inspect Workbook. Click on it. And now Inspect Document. This dialog box will appear on your screen and just click Inspect. Now, scroll down and here you find Custom XML Data. Click on this Remove All button. Close, back to your Excel, and now you can see all of my 67 queries has been deleted. If you like this tutorial, do share it with your friends and also let me know your views by the comments. Like, subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next tutorial. Happy learning!